We're back with the S13. Grant has been putting in work while I've been away in Japan, which I'll maybe insert some footage. If not, it's on the gram. It's looking very good. We've almost finished the body kit installation slash customization slash Frankensteinization. Bit bright.
Bit of this, bit of that.
But overall, it's coming together very well. Grant's been in the process of putting the engine back together the last few days, cleaning up a bunch of stuff. We're going to paint the engine today, and we just pulled out the S13 for a minute to admire it in the sun. And it's looking very good. Side skirt's not on this side.
Pretty side skirts is the last thing left, but it's just such a mountain.
Yeah, on the front. I always don't want to put the grill back in it. It looks sick.
Yeah. You need like a one-piece cyborg headlight through the front there.
They just make it a light bar and put my Tesla battery in it.
Yeah,
Make it really fast.
Like that fucking Tesla, that Frankenstein Tesla that that guy made. You see how mean the tail light looks on that?
Yeah.
There's a headlight, yeah.
Yeah, she's looking good.
But yeah.
Well, let Grant tell you a bit about what he's been up to get to this point, because there's been a few things that we haven't been able to film while I've been away.
No, we just threw hours and hours on blocking it, tidying up all the lines. That's why you'll see now the lines and panel gaps are nice and straight. It's all the detail work. There's still a few details left to go. That's why I was just saying before. The side skirts are left, the last things left to do. But it's just, I'll come to that. I need one more day. So yeah, they just need to be sectioned. Now the one on this side and then final smoothing on that side. But everything you see here now is ready to be blocked for paint prep. So hopefully not too far away.
Grant has also been cleaning up the engine bay. He's painted it to match the interior of the car, which is looking very nice. We decided to go with a matte finish just to hide some of the imperfections, because this engine bay it was pretty bad before. It hadn't been touched really in almost 30 years. No, more than that, almost 40 years. So this car,
this is the birthday of birthdays.
Old as fuck. I think we can successfully call it a resto mod at this point.
Very much so.
So the next steps.
Basically. Okay.
You can say it if you want.
Paint that engine now, you'll see. Silver. Get the engine together in there. And essentially get this thing driving under its own power again. Then we can tackle the outside in one foul swoop.
Very nice.
Make sense?
First time starting up the car in close to 2, maybe 3 years. So we'll have to put some new gas in, change all the fluids. We got a new clutch.
Oh, tutti frutti.
Oh yeah.
Did you show them the save from this?
Oh yes. Grant has successfully redeemed himself after cutting through the right front guard. Yeah. So it looks perfect again. It's like the other side.
And like taking 7 steps back, eh?
If you remember, we had to cut an insane amount of material out of this front bumper. If in its original state, it would probably be touching the floor right now. So it's like a solid
that's true.
7 inches of material, I'd say.
Yeah.
If you don't know how big 7 inches is, it's roughly 18 centimeters.
When it's soft. Shush, babe.
But yeah, so now we're just gonna finish cleaning up the engine, spray that, and then we probably won't put the engine back in this episode, but that'll be
it'll be later.
The next major milestone.
A couple of bits and pieces here and there to get, like I was saying, seals, etc.
That's right. We got to get some. We got to replace.
Might as well parts. Call it that.
Yeah.
While we're here, because Yeah, then the engine will go in and the loom. Just tidy that up and then that can go back in. Because essentially, this thing should be able to drive, like I said, under its own power. And then we can worry about the painting of it. You know what I'm saying?
Know what I'm saying? Type shit.
Kerraria.
All right, let's go finish up this engine. So obviously this isn't the rocker cover that's going to be on here.
No, we'll call that one the working cover.
Yeah.
Right, so I'll actually only change it over after the engine is installed in the engine bay. Because as you can imagine, it's prone to a lot of damage now in this install and working phase. So
Yeah, so it's been soda blasted, well, sandblasted once, and then Grant's just been degreasing the fuck out of it,
yeah.
cleaning it up. About to get a little bit of a final sand right now to get that last little bit off, but it's looking real good. And we're just going to paint it a matte silver, yeah?
Yeah, just make it look nice and new, consistent and new. Nothing. Yeah, like see, it's. I mean, it's clean. It's fucking. You could lick it, eat of this right now, but we just want it to look aesthetically pleasing, which will be like a nice bright silver matte, and the engine will be the same shade of silver.
Yeah, we only really need to worry about the front
Bellows
half of the gearbox. You can
yeah.
only see to about here through the tunnel, I think. But might as well do it while we're here.
No, you do it the source for the next mechanic that goes underneath, bro. We're like, what's going on here, bro? Behind it. Okay, we might as well fucking hit this thing then.
Let's do it.
So I'm gonna use a multi-edge primer, which is an acid wash primer. And this is just basically no negotiations. And this because the everything there is already clean. It's all it needs for it to stick. So this primer will be an adhesion promoter for the silver. I'm gonna put a 2K silver over the top of it, and then we'll just see how that dries. And if it needs something extra, I'll put some matte clear coat. But if not, that 2K silver should be all good. So yeah, this is the king of all primers. Look at it.
Thick. It's like mustard.
Yeah. Just about put the final coat of silver on, and I was talking to fucking Captain paying attention here earlier on because he did actually ask me if I'm going to put matte clear coat on, and I said, nah, we probably won't. It'll be like a, what would you call it, diminished return, extra step for no reason. This is a 2K silver polyester, high performance, fucking commercial paint, so it's the same silver as the buses, okay? So one more heavy hammer coat. That's it. Ceramic afterwards on everything. And that'll be it, bro. Like I said to you earlier on, you'll never see this shit dirty in your lifetime after that process. So it's enough. It's good. And it actually looks simple and clean. Harmonic balancer is being replaced. Obviously, you've got the full pulley set up. So that comes off. That's why it's not masked up. You know how the internet is. So yeah, after that, left this on because again, it's easier as a sacrificial cover. So now we just pull that off. instead of wasting time trying to mask it up. That will stay on now until it's installed. Then put the blue one on. Actually, is
It
the
actually
word.
looks like pretty much brand new, and it'll
Yeah.
stand out so well in the engine bay.
Oh, but it's like the right
Bright silver, bright
brightness.
blue
Yep.
against
Yep.
dark grey,
Oh, it's
and all
neat.
the pipes and turbo and everything are going to match, so it's going to look
Oh, let me pull that fucking
sick.
thing over so we can see here.
So a bunch of the other components, same color, alternator, same color. Engine mounts, I think we're going to do black. Here we go. The pipes, big pipe.
So actually, if you think that's the one, there versus the yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Nah, that's too like shit.
Yeah.
That's the one.